I am at the Courtyard by Marriott in downtown Wilmington, Delaware. Here's a tour of room 309. Let's use the TV. Got a deadbolt, which is automatic, and a latch lock, and a peephole with a cover, along with the Delaware hotel laws and a map. First, we start with this restroom area. Got a very luxurious looking shower. This was built in the 60s originally. And you got a toilet here, which I'm assuming is 1.6 gallons per flush. And here's your toilet paper. Enclosed closet with an iron board. There's my S33. Anyways, here's a... Hi. Got a microwave, mini fridge and microwave here. There's the TV, LG. Cabinet space. Here's your desk with a storage area. Very comfortable beds here. Here's my laptop, and let's give ourselves a view out the window. There's a parking garage. That's the Christiana Care Hospital. There's our stuff right there. And over here you have a Bible and a phone book, I believe. So, that will be it.